What you got, man?
Well, that's really interesting because I went a little off-brand for my first pair that we're bringing out here.
Okay.
It's a little break from our norm.
Doc
Martens. Doc Martens. I picked these up for
okay.
for Christmas.
Okay.
But you
gotta talk to them a little. You good?
Let's chat with them
All right.
a little bit. See what you're feeling.
Okay. Here, hold that time real quick. Let me take this one. Yeah. Yup. This is so tip. I can see Tip wearing these already.
Yeah.
This is so tip. These are tough, yo. I love this. Doc Martens, so you instantly talking about some comfort. Even though that upper seems a little stiff, but I get it. Mm-hmm. This is a shoe that's going to, over time, be a shoe that you would never want to throw away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. When you wear them, they're gonna end up molding to the foot. Doc Martens is a credible brand that's been around for many years. So this is wild. The color of the sole is like, it's weird. It gave off like some green hints, but it has a gold thing going on because you can see the gold on the inside, the yellow on the inside, on the bottom right there. That's a lot of rubber, yo.
It's a lot.
Has she tried these on yet?
She did.
Did she say anything about the comfort?
Yes.
She said, yeah.
Instantly.
Instant?
Yeah, because if you feel the pressure, like where your heel would hit dead center, it's all, this rubber is all like spongy.
Might be able to dunk in these.
Joints are spongy.
All leather on the inside, so leather all the way through. Yeah, so I don't know, what do they call this? Like this dress shoe type of situation, right? Wingtip.
It's a wingtip.
Wingtip.
Yeah. So it's a wingtip Doc Marten.
And these this is a leather.
Yeah.
Or is there more? It's so tight. The leather is almost rubberish. You know what I mean?
It's like a faux / real leather of
I'm just wondering what that is. Smooth leather.
Yeah,
see, they address it instantly on this little tag.
Yeah.
Smooth leather. If there's one leather that epitomizes Doc Martens footwear, it's our classic smooth leather.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. I'm like, it's so smooth, yo. There's no wrinkles at all.
At all.
Durable and famously stiff to start with. See? I know what I'm talking about. Stiff to start with. It mouths your feet and gets more comfortable with wear. It's exactly what I was saying when I eyeball these. I've been doing this long enough. Eyeball the work.
See the intention. Eyeball the work.
Smooth leather can be polished to a dapper shine or artfully scuffed up depending on your preference. Come on, man. Stop it. It's just like selvage denim, like Japanese denim.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
The
Over
more
time.
you wear it,
Yes, they change into a completely different situation.
It fades
and you
differently.
never want to throw those jeans out.
Yeah.
For the record, every jean that I buy in 2023 will be selvage denim. Japanese denim the entire year. I'm 2 in so far, and it's going to continue to go. But anyway, back to the sneaker, to the shoe.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, these are tough. It's not a lot to say. You know, they're all black upper. You got the yellow, the classic Doc Marten look. The yellow stitching.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
These not waxed. The shoestrings are not waxed. You know what I'm saying? It's just a classic Doc Marten look. These are dope. That was a great look, man.
Yeah.
Where you find these on? Online?
No, I stumbled on them in somewhere DC.
Oh, word. Okay, yeah.
Store,
I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
I stumbled on them. I was like,
look.
these are tough. They are heavy though, so I'm interested to see how it feels for her to wear these over time. But she's got some. She's appropriated some joints from Kennedy and Morgan before. You know,
Doc Martens?
Yeah.
Okay.
They got high top. They got a bunch of different high top versions.
Dope.
Yeah.
These are tough, man.
These are tough.
That was a really wacky first 2 pairs of shoes.
Yeah. Out of the box situation.
You know what I'm saying?
And just for the record, ladies and gentlemen, neither one, as you know, we don't have any discussion on what's coming here when it's time to whip out the shoe. Pause.
We're as far from that as you could possibly imagine.
Yeah.
The secretive nature of our shoe purchasing today, these days, is crazy.
I will say, shout out to James from Two in the Fork. He was unaware of how this happens. And so he will, in our little group chat, he will shoot a pair out and be like, yo, you see these? You see these? And I'm like, whoa.
Yeah.
You can't send it with this guy on the group.
Come on, man. Like, yo, you gotta send that to me. You know what I'm saying? But, James is secretly praying for my demise in this sneaker war of ours. You know what I'm saying? Tuna Fork podcast, I see what y'all doing out there. And I got intel. You know what I'm saying? You sending joints to my nemesis. I see what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man, that's how it be.
That's how it be. You know what I'm saying? We're going to talk about this in person, James. Yeah. I ain't scared of you, son.
We got to get him up here. You got some joints.
No, we're going to get, I was just talking to Vic about getting Heat Check rolling back again. So once I get the whole situation.
Yeah.